Hi, I'm Mike Dorrance, product manager.
My name is Nick Mikelski, Senior Software Engineer.
My name is Nick. I'm a senior software engineer.
My name is Pavle Kostic, junior software developer.
Hello, my name is Chris. I'm a software engineer, and I have worked at Printavo for just under 1 year.
I've been at Printavo for almost 2 years.
For a year and a half.
Since April.
For just over 2 years, so like 2.25 years. The first half of my career, or more than the first half, was a lot of larger companies and organizations.
I came from finance, which compared to Printavo is an incredibly sterile and very tightly micromanaged world.
You just feel so isolated in what you're doing, and you don't really see the impact of your work.
I've kind of moved around different industries, and I've never been in screen printing, so that was pretty cool. I liked that the company was bootstrapped. Shareholders can be pretty short-sighted, so it's nice to just focus on the product and not worry about somebody's arbitrary quarterly number.
Coming from the world of construction before technology, I really understood the power that technology could shift in especially a non-traditional industry. And by utilizing technology, we were able to maximize our customer satisfaction and improve our business's bottom line. So I was really intrigued by the problems Printavo solves in that space.
What drew me to Printavo is the team here. The people who work here are super high quality, super focused on doing a great job, but also having fun while doing it.
I like specifically the ownership and accountability. Printavo is kind of like the perfect blend of big and small. You know, the company has been around the block, but it still has a startup feel. Every developer on the team gets to focus on some part of the app and completely own it, which is really, really cool.
And then, intimacy with our customers really allows us to, understand the mindset of the shop owner and a production person or someone in sales within the shops, and really make sure that we're making improvements to Printavo that helps the greater sum of all of our customers.
I love the people I work with. They're smart, they're funny, there's a laid-back vibe. Everyone is held accountable for their actions and for their work, but since everyone maintains that, it feels good to know that you can trust everyone on the team.
The people are just phenomenal. I've never worked with a group as driven and interested in the things that they're doing as the folks here at Printavo. That goes from the engineers who are incredibly smart and knowledgeable on their own to the customer care team, everyone in the administration. Everyone here has a goal in mind and they are working tirelessly for it, and that's just incredibly fun to be a part of.
Engineering here is really great because we are very good at balancing delivering that great customer experience and building those features with technical debt, which is always something that engineering teams have to deal with. And I feel like we make really solid decisions on keeping our code base clean and up to date while also making sure that we build the features we need to build.
People that came in not knowing Ruby on Rails, they're able to pick it up pretty quickly, and because we follow a lot of the conventions, then there's not a lot of weird gotchas of, oh, well, the book says you do this and this, but your code does something else. It's no, we try to follow, the best practices.
Something I'm really proud of here at Printavo is our shift to fundraising at the beginning of the pandemic. This really allowed our shops to utilize the Merch e-commerce platform to do touchless fulfillment and ordering to keep their businesses open during the pandemic. And to date, they've raised over $1.8 million for their local community and those they partner with. So it's been really impactful in keeping our shops successful in their communities, but also giving back.
The honest truth, and maybe this is the video, I don't know, but it's in previous jobs, some director 3 levels up decides that you're going to do something and it trickles down to you, and so you kind of feel like you don't have any say in the product or the work that you do. On the flip side, you might be at a startup where, like I said earlier, everything's on fire and you can't really focus on moving the product forward because you're putting out fires all day. The great thing about Printavo is I know exactly what I have to do, and I get to do it.
This is a product that serves a very practical and real purpose for a huge customer base, and being able to influence that and make their lives easier, make their businesses more profitable. I mean, it's a huge privilege to be able to work on something like that.